Now here we need to find the value of x here, right? Now for this one, actually you need to know this thing, this basic thing, what the anything to the power 0, that will be right 1. Now for example 5 to the power 0 equal to 1, right? Anything 127 to the power 0 is 1, anything, right? That mean even this kind of thing, yeah, right? If you thought like this, now this whole thing equal to the power 0, power index is 0, so that means it is equal to 1. Like that basic idea you can remember like this. So here also we need to make 1. That means you can write even 5 to the power 0, 120 to the power 0 like this. But I will write here 7 to the power 0 because we have here 7, no? This two term base is 7. So that's why what I will do, I will write this is like this, or that 7 negative 2x, 7 to the power negative 2x into 7 to the power 6, and this one I will write 7 to the power 0 because I know 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, then we know here we can apply another index rule, right? Index rule, but the when you have same base and multiplication, between them multiplication, you can add these two index, right? Basic idea you can write like this way, minus 2x plus 6, we add these two index, right? So here 7 to the power 0, then you can write in what the, now this is a very common thing, right? Normally you will get what the, we have here equal sign and same base, here 7, here 7, that means definitely this must be equal to this index, right? This index must be equal to this. Remember you have equal sign now here, and 7 7 same sign, same number, here also base is 7, here also base is 7, that means this index must be equal to this, otherwise this do not equal. So you can write in negative 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, then if you solve this equation, we can get what the value of x. So what I will do, I will put here minus 2x, I will bring this plus 6 to this side, so it will be minus 6. And then now I need to make only x here, so what I will do, divide both side by negative 2, minus 2. So here minus 2 to minus 2 cut, here just only x, minus divide minus mean plus, 6 divide 2 mean 3. Okay, that means x equal negative positive 3 plus 3.